What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to get a custom crosshair on Nintendo Switch in Fortnite. So, if you're wondering, can you actually get a custom crosshair here in Nintendo Switch for Fortnite? Well, there are a few things that you need to know here. So, I'm going to be really honest with this one. So, to be speaking, when you play Fortnite on this case your Nintendo Switch, you actually have the option to get a or use a custom crosshair, but this one again, like what I said, is kind of complicated. Now, this is actually an article or a forum here that, in this case, another user is asking, can you actually get a custom crosshair here for Fortnite? So, according to one of the users here, you can only get this on creative maps. So, if you want to use this on Battle Royale, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to add that. But another user here actually suggested you to maybe like use a gaming monitor or use a capture card with OBS on a computer on another device here. And in this case, you could add your in this case your crosshair via that way. But in this case, this one is quite a long run because again, you will be seeing the game alongside OBS, and you need to see through that, which is kind of is a stretch here. You could still try that, but then again, that might not work for you. Now, in this case, you may want to also check your monitor because usually monitors could actually give you the option to add your own crosshair. So in this case, this is for especially true for monitors on the higher end. So if you have like a pricey monitor, maybe see if you have that specific specification or feature. You can actually enable that into your monitor. But yeah, so currently, if you're trying to use this or trying to add a custom crosshair, so unfortunately, you can only get this on creative maps, but for Battle Royale, you won't be able to do so. So yeah, in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.